Hi folks, welcome to another episode of Python Shorts, short Python tutorials that are straight and to the point. Today we're talking about Booleans, which means true or false. So, basically, Booleans are a way to express if something is true or false. These can be really useful in if-else statements, basically where you want to evaluate if something is true or not, and then execute code, depending on whether it's true or false. So how do we show you what a Boolean is? So print 10 is greater than 3. Is 10 greater than 3? Yes, so this should print true. There it is, true. Print 1 greater than 3. 1 is not greater than 3, so this should give us a false. And then just a teaser about our episode on if-else statements. We're going to say if 1 is greater than 3, then print this is not correct, and else print 1 should be smaller than 3. So this should print, since 1 is less than 3, it should print the else statement and say 1 is smaller than 3. So if we run this, 1 should be smaller than 3. There it is. If we change this to be smaller than, we should be able to print this is not correct. So another thing to note is that if you set some variable equal to something, x equals 3 for example, and we want to test the bool of that, so Boolean says whether is this true or false basically. If we do this, it's going to say true, because x is equal to 3. There's nothing to test, so this should just give us a true. So just something to note, you can test the bool properties of certain variables. You can test whether it's true or false, but if you just test it on a variable like this, it's always just going to be true. I hope that was useful to you guys. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments section. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll talk to you guys later. Thanks, bye.